So, yeah, I heard you're a fanboy. Fan what? Fanboy, a person that buys things based on a stupid level of attachment towards a brand, not caring about price, performance, or even any other options in the market. Well, if that's a fanboy, count me in. But I mean, don't you really care about getting the best for your money? I get the best. Every time. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, the best. So good.
Today's video sponsor is GGG, where using my SKG discount code leads to a 25% off across several products, making a Windows 10 serial key only $16. After the payment, you'll receive the key in your account, and all you need to do is to introduce it in your Windows settings, and bam! You have an activated system.
Hello guys, this is Gameplays, I'm Fabio Pisco and welcome to my channel. Today's video topic is, am I a fanboy or not? Across the time I have this channel, some people have called me fanboy, some others don't, and even recently when I made a post about people to stop being fanboys because it makes no sense, some of those people actually commented back saying things like, it's kind of ironic you saying that, but aren't you a fanboy and so on. Well, and that makes no fucking sense. So overall, am I a fanboy? Yes. Now, am I a fanboy of any brands? No. The only thing I'm a fanboy of is my own pocket, and I will get the best price performance I can get. It doesn't matter if it is Intel, if it is AMD, or if it is Nvidia. I will get the best price performance for what I'm looking for, okay? That's how I work. Of course, you have lots and lots of more AMD info on my channel for two reasons. Because one, I'm an AMD fan, not an AMD fanboy, okay? Fanboy and fan is completely different because I am an AMD fan. If I have two things with similar price performance and similar advantages for me, I will get AMD. But if any other brand like Nvidia has the best price performance, I will get the best price performance. That's the difference in between being a fanboy and being a fan. It's basically the ability of judgment, okay? That's all. And like I was saying, you have lots of more AMD info in my channel, and like I said, one, because I'm an AMD fan, and two, because AMD actually sends some hardware. And I have to do topics and I have to do videos with what I have. I've been buying things from Intel and Nvidia for quite a long time. For example, I have the i3 10100F, i5 10400F, 11400F, and now the 12600K with several motherboards. I have the RTX 3050 and I will get some more RTX cards in the near future. But I have to buy them with my own money, while on the AMD side they actually send some hardware, and since I have to do and I have to work with the hardware I have, it's normal that I have more videos spending to the AMD side than to the other brands. And that's all. If somehow someone that works at Nvidia or has some contacts at Nvidia or Intel, for example, and wants to actually send hardware, well, I'm completely open, and of course I'll do more videos on that hardware that I have. For example, if you go to my video section, you have videos with the RTX 3050, with the RTX 3060. If you go way back, you have lots of videos with the i5s, i3s, and so on. And I don't have those videos with the i5s, with the Intel Core i5s and i3s, because I'm actually waiting for the RDNA 3 cards to retest all my CPUs. And that's the reason, just that. As for the Nvidia cards, I have currently tests of the 3060 and the 3050, and I'm doing videos with them as well. So, am I a fanboy? No, guys, that's being a fanboy of any brand is just stupid, because brands do not care about you, they care about money and revenue. They don't care about you unless it affects their revenue or their branding name. That's all. Get that inside your head and maybe you'll have a better life. That's all for today's video, guys. Thanks a lot for Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share this video, and see you in the next one.